welcome to our studio. Let me show you around. Here, visitors who are not recording can see what's happening inside the studio while having a drink or sipping a coffee. We've also added 6 working desks so people from Shake It can make the most out of their day when they come in to record or help with a live session.
This is the control room. Think of it as the brain of our studio. Because everything connects back to this room, I can get all of the inputs from every microphone, camera, remote speaker, and others without having to leave my seat and take those inputs and mix them together to create the final output. This output can then be recorded or streamed either to our platform or any social network.
And this is where the magic happens in only a few dozen square meters. On one side, we have a multi-camera space for video podcasts or interviews, ready to roll with minimal setup. And on the other side is our green screen wall, which allows for a more flexible experience. This is where we record many of our internal videos. If you're running a live event, you can always rely on real-time information appearing on a tablet or the screens, which will connect you with your remote audience.
And that's all from us here at Shake It Studio. Building it was absolutely exhausting, but also incredibly rewarding and fun. We learned so much from the entire process, and we are very proud of how it all turned out in the end. Whether it's a webinar, promotional video, or podcast, all content produced here will receive the same amount of love that we put into everything we do. Not to mention our vast experience in integrating content digitally, because remember, we are still a software company. So if you're around Porto, please feel free to reach out, pay us a visit, because we would love to have you and show you around. See ya!